Hey guys, we're back and this is episode 2 and we are lagging. I don't know what the hell is happening and yeah, okay, let's play. Okay, no, what the hell? What the hell? Okay, go. Get to the chapel.
What is that one?
Never mind. Okay, we just died.
What? I'm like,
not even me.
Stop.
I don't care about stopping. Let's just go.
See, my one is only go here. See, I cannot go there. See,
What the hell?
stopping.
What the hell?
It's lag.
What the hell? It's lagging.
Stop, man.
Oh my god. Okay, let's move. Okay, I'm back, guys, because last time it was like so laggy. I know what. Okay, and I think we were lagging again.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go. That was messed up, really.
Come on,
Okay,
come on. Fast.
Watch out! John Cena's coming for you to him. Why already? We're like so noob right now. But last time, shoot! Die, dude. Oh yeah, you get another tea for us. Hey,
Okay, hello.
you're my twin. Hello, Clona.
Clona.
I'm trying to copy you. Tick. John Cena, dude. Okay.
Oh no, I'm lag now.
You wait with me, of course. Because
Oh, no.
we're recording. Let's do this.
Come on. Oh, over there, no.
Oh, I got the
Somebody
shoot.
shoot. Ooh,
Wow,
double
my
shoot.
god.
Oh, no.
Oh, I nearly died.
Oh, you got machine gun.
Yeah. That's how we got the shots. Yeah, I'm speed. I'm called the fat speed guy.
Oh, okay, this. Then.
Oh, I nearly. Get it. Okay. Guerrilla? Udah main.
Shoot. Oh no, one kill, one shot. Oh, you're so
my
pro.
god.
Oh no.
Oh, wait, what the hell?
Oh no, it hit you, but you got the ball thingy
What?
to survive.
The
shield.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
still got the shield.
Oh.
He don't know what to use the shield.
Yeah,
Get the
and
machine
then
gun.
it just dropped to me. I found the guy. Can you just kill him for us? Okay,
Yep,
thank you.
I did.
Because I'm trying to get the clone. Hello, clone again. You're back. I thought you died forever.
Survive the clone. If I get another clone, yeah,
Clone. But
come shoot.
what if both of us got clone? Wow, that would be awesome.
Damn, son, that's better go down, down.
Damn, son. This guy's a noob. Just leave him alone.
Yeah,
man.
weak robot. Yeah, exactly.
Stupid
Weak
noob.
robot.
Wait, why are we even level 11? We're like nearly dead yet. Wow! Finally, man.
Yeah, I shoot anywhere I want.
Yeah.
Oh no!
What the hell? We're dead! Kill them! Finally, oh my god. Okay, nice. Okay.
Oh yeah.
I feel like you're pooping when you do that. How did you do that? Okay, do this. You got a police SMG. I got a... What the hell? Okay, I got advanced SMG. Let's go, dude.
Speedo.
Let's go.
Speedo. Oh no, I just
What
died for no reason.
No,
Wow.
stupid boy. Okay, crap. Dude, you only have one left.
Oh no.
Okay, one left. No! So die. Try to save it, my friend. Oh. No. Hi.
I just killed him.
Finally, he dies. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. Wow, we're already level 13. I got more than that last time with Rajas. That means you're noobsy. We still didn't get any jet. Okay, I don't care.
So to get all bomb for the bad guy.
Psych. Whoa, dude, it is dead. Let's go. No, I'm actually nearly dead. Wow.
Oh damn.
Soon.
No.
I'm flying in the sky and then I died.
Oh
Oh
I just
no,
died.
one life left. No, I don't want to die. I can do it
I
for
just
you,
died.
dude. I can do it for you. I can do it for you. Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Go.
Come on,
Okay,
kill.
This is gonna be hard.
Kill.
I'm not gonna do it. Can I kill this guy with this asshole
Okay.
gun? No. Oh my god. Shoot. Let's go.
Oh damn.
Okay, I can kill this guy. Wow. Let's go.
If we win, if you're bad, you will do this thing.
What the hell? Oh my god.
I just spray him with water.
And then you put it on my ear.
Oh damn.
What the hell, dude?
Does it hurt?
Not really.
Wow.
Damn, son. Okay.
Come on, get double so you can.
Damn, son. Let's go. You don't reach me, bruh. Sorry, man. Bye, peace. Shite, dude.
Are you mad, bro?
Are you mad, bro? Oh, top
Maya
load. Huh? What do you mean? Mayahi?
Mayahi.
Maya. What the hell? Okay. Yes, I got another line.
Mayaha. Mayahi.
Dude, you don't need to be crazy like that.
Maya.
That guy. Okay. Single shot. Oh, this is the special one in the whole wide world. No. I'm still surviving. Wow. Maria. Maria.
Oh, that guy.
Okay.
Time two.
Died. Yeah.
Time 2.
Okay. Mattim. Let's go, clown. I mean, clone. Okay, let's go this. Yeah, die. Okay, I got the better gun than you, dude, and you just died. Wow. Yeah, my friend got another gun. No, I feel like you're Rio now. Hey, Rio. Let's go.
And I'm Rio, and I make the Rio bird.
Yeah.
I made the movie.
Yeah, the movie. What the hell?
That's me, my grandfather.
Shit, what the hell? He actually didn't fall.
Oh
my god!
How sad is it?
I hit him so hard. Done. It's actually moving automatically. Oh no! Oh my god! No! I got this alive!
No!
Okay, that's it for it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and yeah.
Subscribe and comment and share.
Subscribe
And share.
My friend didn't say subscribe and not yet. No, I'm gonna do another one. They're gonna finish the video.
Okay.
Okay, whatever. So he said subscribe, like my friend Lee said subscribe. Also now said subscribe. Okay, whatever. So yeah, subscribe my channel and I'll do more videos. Gun Mayhem with my other friends.
Leave a
And
comment.
yeah, of course, and also like these videos. And yeah, see you next time, guys. Bye.